All right, so we are going to look at our helpful hints for Wednesday and Thursday for our daily grammar practice. So for Wednesday, what you're going to do is you're going to identify your clauses. So a type of clause, you have independent or dependent. They're up here. You're just deciding, is that sentence a complete sentence? If it is a complete sentence, it's independent. If it's a sentence fragment, then it's dependent. So use Tuesday to help you. If it has a subject and a predicate, it's going to be independent. If it only has one or the other, it's dependent. After that, then decide, is it a simple sentence, compound sentence, or complex sentence? Like I said before, there's no punctuation in here. However, is there a conjunction? If there's not a conjunction and there's only one subject and one predicate, it's going to be simple. If it is compound, that means there's going to be two sentences, two independent clauses, two complete ideas put together using a comma and a conjunction. And then a complex sentence will have a sentence fragment connected to a independent complete sentence. Okay, so use that kind of knowledge to help you figure out what type of sentence this is below. After that, then decide its purpose. Is it declarative, a regular statement? Is it interrogative, a question? Is it exclamatory and something with excitement? Or is it imperative with a command? Okay, so type your answers in your spot below. And then let's look at Thursday. Thursday, all you're doing is you're rewriting the sentence in the box and you're adding correct punctuation at the end or commas in the middle or apostrophes to show possession, and you're using capitalization. Okay, so go through from start to end and see what punctuation you need and make sure it's typed correctly in your box below. All right, good luck.